If Chrome is giving you an authentication error, don't worry. In most cases, this can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to get Chrome working again, whether the issue is caused by cached data, incorrect system time, an outdated browser, a bad extension, or a Google account sync problem. And, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is clear your Chrome cache and cookies. This is one of the most common fixes because old or corrupted browser data can interfere with sign-ins and authentication pages. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, use the same shortcut in Chrome if available. Or open the Clear Browsing Data menu from the browser settings. Once the window appears, make sure you select Cookies and other site data, and also cached images and files. Then set the time range to all time so you're clearing everything that could be causing the issue. After that, click Delete Data and give Chrome a moment to finish the process. Once that's done, close Chrome completely and reopen it to test again. If the error is still there, the next step is to check your system time and date. This is more important than a lot of people realize because authentication systems and security certificates rely on your computer's clock being accurate. If your date or time is wrong, Chrome may think a secure login page is invalid. On Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. On Mac, go to the Date and Time settings from your System menu. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on, and if needed, let your device resync with the correct time zone. After fixing that, try Chrome again and see if the login works. Now let's move on to updating Google Chrome. Running an outdated version of Chrome can create compatibility problems with modern login systems and authentication APIs. To update it, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome, then go to Help and choose About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates, and if one is available, it will download and install it for you. When it finishes, relaunch the browser so the update can take effect. This is a quick step, but it often fixes a lot of strange login issues immediately. If you're still having the error, the next thing to test is Incognito Mode. Open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows, or Command, Shift and N on Mac. Then try signing in again. The reason this is useful is because Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. If the login works in Incognito, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the problem. In that case, go back to Chrome, click the three-dot menu, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable your extensions one by one and test Chrome after each change until you find the one that's interfering with authentication. This can take a little bit of trial and error, but it's one of the best ways to find the culprit without removing everything at once. Finally, if the authentication error happens while syncing your Google account in Chrome, you should check your two-step verification and account sync settings. First, sign out of your Google account in Chrome, then sign back in fresh. If you use two-step verification, pay close attention during the sign-in process and select Don't Ask Again on this device when prompted, so Chrome can properly save the browser token. This helps prevent repeated sign-in prompts and sync failures. Once you've done that, give sync another try and see if your account connects normally. So to quickly recap, clear your cache and cookies, check your system time and date, update Chrome, test Incognito Mode, and review your account sync and two-step verification settings. One of these fixes will usually solve the problem. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.